everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's dish is for all the mushroom lovers. We're going to make this delicious and tasty garlic pepper mushrooms. Now you can prepare this in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started and check it out. Heat a nice wide pan. To this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Next add 4 cubes of unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, next I'm adding 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Sauté the onions for about a minute. Next I'm adding 10 large cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped. If you're someone who enjoys the flavors of garlic, you can add extra garlic. To the pestle and mortar, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns and 3 whole cloves of garlic. So I'm just going to roughly pound these together. So next I'm adding the pound garlic and peppercorns. Keeping the flame on low, give that a quick mix. This is going to infuse the flavors of garlic and pepper a little more. Wow, I can already smell this wonderful aroma of garlic. So I've taken 500 grams of fresh button mushrooms and I've washed them about 2 to 3 times so they are nice and clean. So I've not cut them up. We're going to use the mushrooms as a whole. But if you feel it's a little too big for you, you can cut them into half. Toss the mushrooms along with the onions and garlic. This is a very nice and easy to make starter dish. So for someone who loves mushrooms, this is something that you'll absolutely enjoy. So I've made other mushroom recipes earlier. I'll give you all the links in the description, you can check them out. So just let the mushrooms cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Maintain the flame on a medium and just mix the mushrooms at intervals. So next we're going to season the mushrooms. First I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, about half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes and about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix everything well. So you can see after adding the salt, the mushrooms begin to release all its juices. Continue to cook the mushrooms on medium flame. So we're going to make the dish a little more interesting and colorful by adding a few onion wedges, a few green capsicum wedges and a few red capsicum wedges. So keeping the flame on high, just continue to stir fry this. To maintain the freshness and juiciness of the mushrooms, make sure you don't overcook them and it's best served nice and hot. The mushrooms are cooked, the vegetables look beautiful, they're so juicy and nice. So finally I'm finishing off by adding a handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves. Gently mix that in. Turn off the stove and this absolutely gorgeous and delicious garlic pepper mushrooms are ready to be served. They make for a wonderful starter. You can enjoy them as is. It's a very quick and simple dish you can make less than 30 minutes. Well, these mushrooms are so juicy and so tender, I can't wait to try them. Oh wow. Fabulous, the flavors are just excellent. You can see the mushrooms literally melting in my mouth. It's so wonderful. Well, the tip is to get fresh mushrooms while you're making this dish. The flavors will be excellent. And it's a very nice and wholesome dish. It's very filling and it's a great starter that you can enjoy with your family and friends. So make sure to follow all the tips I've showed you in the video to get this dish perfectly. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.